What could you become if you were your most optimal self? What could you become if you dug into these areas that you have been ignoring? Who could you be if every aspect of your current existence you were curious about and you dug into, and figuring out what aspects of your life are you choosing to ignore, or you only focus on this so you let this fall to the wayside? What you don't realize is that when you're able to get the best version or the most optimal version of yourself, then everything comes together and you create this life force that can't be stopped. What this retreat is going to be about is not being scared to dig in. It's going to be 3 days on my farm. Everything's included: transportation, meals, exercise, journals, sweat, tears. This retreat is for leaders that want to be more than just a business guy. They want to be the most optimal version of themselves for their family, for their business, and for their lives.